Hi, this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and I have a new Christmas junk journal kit on my Etsy shop, Multimedia Crafts Digital. And basically it has like 12 pages, and it also has 6 different like ephemera sheets, and those have like tags, pockets, words, things like that. So here's the first one. I think I have it. No, I had it turned upside down. So let's try this again. And it just has like a vintage kind of theme going on. Here's the second one. And I left them kind of subtle. That way the pages, whenever you put your ephemera in it, it wouldn't be like too busy and just kind of, it wouldn't, that way it kind of contrasts with your pages. You know, your pages can contrast with your ephemera, and it's not too deep, and you can write on it and still see it. You know, I didn't do front to back, I just only printed it single-sided, but you can, and you can print these out on bleed if your printer will let you do that, but I didn't. That way you wouldn't have that little mark on that margin showing. And here's another one. You got your little snowflakes and poinsettias. Your little coffee mug. And then here's another one. It's a little setting, a little Christmas scene. And it's got like a little plaid background to it, and a collage of like book pages and things like that. And, you know, stacked frames, and some chocolate canister, a present, and some hollies, and just some little Christmas trees. And here's an ephemera page. You have some pockets here. This has like December. All these have like the vintage kind of old jagged look. And then I left some solid color pages. Now this goes this way or the other way. Either way, that page will work. Same with this. It's kind of solid, so you can add some stuff to it without it, you know, like I said, without it being too much, too busy, you know. And there's a cute little girl. It's a cute little setting. And then we have the little jingle bells in the backdrop. And then here's another one. You have like the little Christmas tree and a little cluster and a frame. Little Christmas scenery. And then I've got this little deer. Some vintage Christmas candies. And then here's the rest of the ephemera. I'll turn around like this. So you get 2 pockets, or big pockets, and then you're going to get 2 different tags and envelopes. And both of these come with assembly instructions, and I'll have a link in the description where I've actually showed how to put these together. Not this particular, not this Christmas one, but there's another style of tag envelope that I used in another video, and I'll show how I put it together in that video. Then here's some ephemera. Here's another like tags and like banners and different things. Then you have some little journaling cards here, and they all have similar themes to the papers. And then here are some journaling cards that are a little bit bigger, and we have some Christmas words and tags, or banner tags, I guess you could call it. And then finally we have some more little small journal cards and some little side pockets and like an oval size tag. So these are available now on my Etsy shop, and currently November 17th through the 21st they're going to be on sale for 25% off. These, and I'm having a whole store-wide sale. Everything in the store is 25% off at the very moment. So go check these out if you like. And like I said, if you want to watch how I assemble these cards and envelopes, I'll have a link in the description to show you how to do that. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos and my blog and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.